Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today we're doing a quick review of Deep Art Effect. Now, Deep Art Effect is an AI-powered platform that transforms photos and videos into artistic masterpieces. Its key features include AI style transfer, extensive style library, custom style creation, selective rendering, and image enhancement, offline processing using the desktop version, and cross-platform availability. It also has GAN-based artwork generation, that is the ability to generate entirely new and unique artworks from scratch using generative adversary networks. So it is available. You can download for Android, for iOS, and you can also download it for desktop PC. So it has a free 3-day trial if you're using the Deep Art Creator Pro for desktop. So you can easily download it by going to Deep Art Effects. You type Deep Art Effects in your search engine to take you to it. And you can also try the Ghibli Studio Trend on Deep Art for free. So you want to download the app, click here. You want to create your own, click here. It's as simple as that.